Hi guys, this is Mrs. Sayer. I'm in a meeting this morning, and so I will be gone through fourth hour today. I'm going to give you some very brief instructions this morning, and then you are going to spend the majority of your time working on your Illusions project. You're welcome to send me questions via email if you have them while you're working. I will be at my computer during this training that I'm at, so I will hopefully be able to respond to you relatively quickly. I'll do my best. But remember, first and foremost, that your illusions projects are due tomorrow when you walk into class. So if you've got questions, now is the time to ask. Um, the first thing that I'd like for you guys to do today is to open up your illusion reference guide, which looks like what you're looking at on the screen right now. I'm going to give you today's illusion, which is boycott. So you're going to put yours in the illusion in 110. And let me just go ahead and show you the slide here. So boycott has to do with Captain Charles Cunningham Boycott. He was a land agent, so not really a landlord, but he carried out the wishes of the landlord in Ireland in 1880. In the controversy over the Irish land question, he refused to lower rent prices for the poor Irish folks. And as a result, he and his family were ostracized, which means they were just um, ignored by the community. Basically, no one wanted anything to do with them anymore. And so, anytime you see now an organized refusal to deal with or buy from a person or a company, it's now referred to as a boycott. So, you might have heard that term before, and it comes from a person and this event surrounding him. So, you're going to write what's over on the right hand side. So, boycott comes from a historical figure, Captain Charles Boycott, and this particular event with him refusing to do something because he didn't like the orders that he was given, which is what people do when they don't like a company's decisions. They boycott them. Okay, they have a refusal to do any business with them anymore. Um, so go ahead and finish copying what is over there on the right hand side in your illusion reference guide. And when you're finished with that, the rest of the time today can be devoted to you working on your project. Okay, make sure you've checked the agenda. There's a couple of other things in there that I'd like for you to look at. And again, if you have any questions today, you can send me questions via email and I will do my best to get back to you. But if you email me, make sure to check your email back to see what my response is. If I get a good report from the sub today, I will give you all 25 Starbucks. So please make sure that you are respectful and kind, and please be legendary. Thank you. See you later.